Hi everyone, I hope you're doing great. This is my first video about introduction of the C++. So before start, I would like to give you some information about what you're gonna learn in this tutorial. So in this tutorial, you will gonna learn about basic, intermediate, and advanced about C++, and you will know how to use these functions, how to use these loops and lists and this kind of stuff. So I will explain you everything clearly, and I will be so much comprehensive to just apply all these codes. And I already completed all these codes or all this documentation into this notebook, and you will be sure everything like about everything, like how to apply all of them. Okay, so let me give you some information about how we will continue about that course, so or the tutorial. So just there will be three topics and one summary videos, so just to be sure like what we precise there. So just we will know like how many topics we pass it, and what will be the next step. Just we will just summarize everything, and after that I will show you with the codes like how you can apply in your projects. Okay, just there will be practice part a lot, and I will teach you everything in steps. Just you will not much watch videos like movie watch or the series watch. It will be just like practice, practice, practice. All right, so if you didn't get reaction, you can stop video and you can just continue like with another videos with another guys. But I'm not saying you like I'm so I'm just manager of this tutorial, but just I'm gonna say you that like you will learn with me everything. Okay, you can be 100% sure about that. If you didn't get reaction, just you can stop the video. All right, let's continue with another step, how you can install the C++. So I will give you some information. You need to install compiler, which is GCC. From internet you can find it. Just research a little bit about that. When you like install this compiler into your VS Code, just you can install there also like C++ compiler too. And after that we will just use all these things, all these tools in VS Code, and we will apply all our codes there because it is not interpreter like Python. So we need compiler, and just it will run at the time, and it is dynamic language and so fast. So just I will teach you everything about that. Okay, just install the C++ compiler, and after that just install VS Code, and just come into VS Code and be ready there to my watch to my videos. All right, so the another thing, I'm not giving you guarantee like you will become like robotic engineer or the automation engineer or the like web developer, or I don't know, like software engineer or software developer. Just I will teach you about programming concepts, like about C++, like how to use the things libraries and standard library and all this stuff. You will know how you can create a program, but you need to learn about like which technology you want to continue. You need to learn all these things with yourself. All right, so this is not about me. Just I will teach you like English, then you will just choose your point. Maybe you will be translator, or you will be like you will work with different jobs. Okay, this is just field you will choose there. Like you can become like robotic engineer, software engineer, or I don't know, like you can choose it. Okay, embedded system engineer, and many more stuff there, many more fields. And yeah, just this is the point. I will teach you about programming concept of the C++. All right, so that's our point. And this is introduction video. Next lesson, so our next class will be our first lesson, and just we will start with the, let me tell you about. All right, it is just here. Yeah, the first topic will be simple C++ commands. You will know how to display out hello world in C++, and we will continue with variables and other stuffs. So just be there, just be ready. Everything will be amazing. I believe you will enjoy with me during the class time. And if you didn't understand something, just write your comment in YouTube and I will just reply there. Yeah, I will be with you during the class time or during this journey. I believe you will complete all this fundamentals course, and after that you will choose your technology and you will become like engineer. All right, that's all. thank you very much for the first introduction video, which is you watch me in here. See you in another class, which is our first class with the how to create our Hello World program.